Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is Heavenly Nails It, and my name is Star. I thank you for joining me today. Today I will be doing a freestyle nail art 3D design using some solid builder gel. So I don't really have no particular thing in mind. I'm using this solid gel maybe a few times, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm going for, but it will be a 3D raised look. But so far I am making some type of a petal, and it's not a normal petal because if you have seen, I am using my silicone tool, and I'm actually making some indentations into the gel, and then I will go through the shaping of it. So thank you guys again for joining me, and I hope you like this video, and I appreciate if you have subscribed already. Thank you again for your support. And if you haven't yet got the chance to subscribe to my channel as I continue to grow and build this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that hit that like button and hit that bell while you're at it, so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. So I won't take up too much of your time speaking, so I will continue to let you listen to the music, and sometimes throughout the video I will speed it up some so it wouldn't drag on too long. So I do like to try to make my videos not as long. So again, I thank you for joining me. And so with this builder gel, you can just do so many things with it. Right now you can see I have rolled it up into a ball, and that's how I started my initial petal, and I am just flowing from there. So as we continue, and if you have noticed, I do have a broken nail on my finger, and that happened to me when I went and washed my truck at the car wash. And I'm a little in vain, so I mean, most of us, when we do go to the car wash, we wash our vehicles. We want to make sure that the rims are clean, and that was my thing. I was cleaning right in the rim spokes, the spokes of the rim, and I just banged my finger within the rim, and my nail broke, and then actually broke right in the middle. And then you know how that feels, that hurts. So on this hand, I didn't use any peelable base coat, and it's only because I wanted my nails to last a little longer. So right now it is in the healing process. And so if you did have noticed, I did wanted to point that out. And I really don't like my nails being in the video, especially if they messed up or broke. And one of my embellishments did come off on the other finger. But I'm not too concerned, because the good thing about it, I do my own nails. Do you guys use solid gel? Have you used it? Do you like using it? Do you have any particular brand do you like to use? Let me know in the comments. If you have any particular ideas or pointers, any tips, also hit me up in the comments. I would love to know. As you can see, this gel has a shimmer to it, and it looks pretty on the nail just by itself, but at the end I do add some gel polish, and it is a color changing gel polish, but it is a choice that you can do. I just continued on to polish it, but you can leave it like this, and it looks pretty like that. And I think if I had to choose between the two, I would leave it alone without polishing it, and just continue to design it without polishing it, meaning adding some embellishments onto it. So let me know what you think in the comments. And I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but you will want to cure it in the lamp at least for 30 seconds in between each petal, just to keep it from sticking to each other, and then you will have to start the process over because it'll make it hard to mold it into the shape that you want because it's stuck together. So I'm not sure if I did mention that, so that's a little tidbit.
To understand you better, baby, tonight. You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier the fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier the fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easier to let go, but I won't.
So everyone, if you've made it this far, you are gaining towards the end of this video. And so I really want to thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. It does help my channel grow, and I can't really express how much your support means to me. So this is the finished product. I added a couple of pearl beads and caviar beads, and this is my cup of warm water, and as you can see, the color starts to brighten up on the nail. And this is color changing by Rajam, and it's spelled Rarjsm. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I doubt if I am, but this is the result. I hope you like it, and I hope you will give it a thumbs up, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for your support.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier the fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier the fighting.